Punchline.
Savage in the bit, man. Let's do it, man.
You bit with a stick. You ain't even bit with a glick.
On God.
I'm kick. Stick break shit like Mr. Miyagi. These bullets, they flammable just like a tiger. On me a fake when I cook hibachi. These big ass phone leave you standing you white. To my Draco on interview nigga like say cheese. He kept on this till he missing. Back then me and Draco went on mission. Now I ain't Christian, I shoot like the pistol. When me and my nigga touch a chick, we gone. To me it's a trouble, she leaving her thong. Now I ain't scamming, got plays on my phone. Got a thick white bitch, she a pro, she don't. Glock in the building, this a bit Gen 5. Now I ain't never got rocked, no lie. It's us the ox, stop playing both sides. Your mama done told you don't play with that fire. I'm in the vert, posted on your street. It's 4B sticks, so we got 2 each. We spinning your block, silent, don't speak. I'm in the crowd, no throwing a beat. He wanna feature, it come with a fee. All of this money like it growing tree. Got a white plug, calling Louis like V. Now I ain't coke, but I'm shopping at C. Big ass gun like a carrying me. How many clips I got? Like 3. Your homie, he dead, who killed him with me? I'm a real ass demon, throw by in the sea. I'm beating these cakes back to jigging these streets. Said fuck BDA when I see it, we creep. Spinning your block, bullet knocking that tree. These bullets, they sting like a sting by a bee.
Hop out that cut with that K, bitch, I'm baking. These niggas, they capping, they faking. I'm in the room with your bitch and she naked. I swear to God, she got no patience. My niggas be ball like the Patriots. Don't go with these niggas, but bitch, I'm not racist. My niggas pull up with them takers, they taking your soul. Pat me that stick, I rock out with that pole. Niggas be cow, yeah, they really be hoes. Pull up on that nigga, that fuck nigga froze. If I go broke, I'ma kick in your door. You better not be lacking, lil' buddy. Look in my pocket, you know that they chubby. Got this shit out the mud, but you know we ain't muddy. Niggas be cow for wet. I'm with your bitch and you know that she wet. Run up on the gang and you know it get wet up. Been doing this shit, man, these niggas play catch up. Man, these niggas, they really be scared of me. Niggas be mad cause they can't get ahead of me. Know that I'm packing, she ain't gotta measure me. Pull up on that nigga just cause he was talking. Just knock off and lit, he ain't doing no more walking. My niggas, they really be strapped with them K's. Yeah, I know some killers my age. Man, fuck on your boo, I might fuck on your babe. Pull up on the op and you know I'ma hit with it. She cap on the net, but she still tryna get with me. Niggas, they really be tryna act cool. Pat me that stick, I rock out with that too. Give me a beat and I eat like a lunchbook. Yeah, this your bitch, but you know I be hunching. Yeah, we son your niggas, we came from the bottom. SOD gang, write that shit on my mama.